Hey YouTube, it's your girl Queen Jaylean, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine and basically the products that I use during my wash day routine and like how I do my wash day routine in order. So the products that I use for my wash day routine, for my shampoo I use the Natural Mother's Curl Talk Curl Care shampoo. For my conditioner, I use the Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Repair Plus Protect conditioner. For my deep conditioner, I use the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom nutrient-rich butter mask. For my defining cream, I use the Natural Mother's Curl Talk defining cream. And for my gel, I use the Natural Mother's Curl Talk First Control Sculpting Gel, which has the number 3 hold. And yeah, so I'm gonna be using all Natural Mother's products today. And yeah, so this is before I wash my hair. So as you guys can see, it's like really frizzy and just doesn't have curl definition, and it's just all over the place. And yeah, you see it's like really frizzy. And it's just really frizzy, okay? So yeah, that's the before. This is the before. Okay, so I just came back from wetting my hair. And now the first thing that I'm gonna be using is my Curl Talk shampoo. I really love the smell. It's like a light grape smell. So I'm gonna be using like about a little more than that much. Then I'm just going to be putting it on my head. Then just putting it on my hair. And then look how it lathers up so quickly. I love it when a shampoo doesn't have silicone or sulfates in it and it just fizzes like lathers up. Okay, so I just washed that off, so you guys can see there's like water dripping from my hair. And now I'm gonna go in with my Royal Honey Plus and Kalahari Desert Melon Repair Plus Protect conditioner. And during the shipping of this, the little top came off. So for now, I have to just open it and then literally dump it on my hand. So I'm gonna take about that much. Like part my hair, it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to be using this side. Just make sure that all of it is on my hands. Oop, that's the hair. Make sure all of it is on my hands. Then I'm just going to be going in. Make sure I get the top as well. And then just rake it a little bit. Then I'm going to take a section, doing the method that I taught you in one of my videos. And I'm just gonna continue doing it throughout the rest of this side. Okay, so now that I finished with this side, I'm gonna be doing the same thing that I did to this side onto this side that doesn't have any conditioner. So these are how my curls look with it drenched in the conditioner. And I'm just gonna be doing the same thing to this side. Okay, so I just finished doing this side of my head. I detangled it and everything, so there's no knots and nothing on each side. So these are how my curls look so far. They're just drenched in the conditioner. So yeah, now I'm just gonna make sure that I get the back of my head, because if you haven't watched my 3 hair kit video, you will know why I need to get the back of my head. So this is how my hair looks. My hair looks like this. Oh, ooh, look how nice these curls look. They're like drenched in the conditioner, so yeah. Okay, so I rinsed out the conditioner and these are how my curls look. And I'm gonna now be doing my deep conditioner. So this is my deep conditioner. Like I showed, it's the matcha green tea and wild apple blossom. And I'm in love with this deep conditioner. It's like literally one of my favorite deep conditioners. And what I'm gonna do is section my part my hair again like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna be taking that much, and then just gonna be putting it throughout my head. Make sure that you get the bottom, your tips. Make sure you get the back. And it's like a really thick consistency too, so I really love that about it. And then I'm just gonna be raking it through. So these are how my curls look when it's drenched inside of the deep conditioner. And now I'm just going to be doing the same thing that I did to this side to this side. So I just finished doing the same thing that I did to this side. And now I'm just going to be showing you how much hair I lost. I lost about that much hair. It's not that much. It only looks like that because I have like really frizzy hair. So yeah. So now what I'm going to do, it's just that I don't want to put it under a shower cap. I'm just gonna let it I'm just gonna let my curls absorb it, like just freely, like just without the shower cap on. But you guys could put a shower cap on for that extra moisture for your hair. But I'm just going to make sure that I get the back as well. So I'm gonna get a little bit more if I could open it. Gonna get a little bit more, rub it on my fingers, just make sure I get the back. Okay, so this is how my hair looks from the side, and then from the back. And now I'm just gonna be waiting 20 minutes just so that my curls could absorb the moisture. Okay, so I just finished washing out the hair mask, and this is how my curls look. So now what I'm gonna be using is the Nature Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream, and I'm just gonna split my hair. I hate it when this happens, because I'm like almost out of the cream. So I'm gonna take that much, and it's like it's a little, it's okay. It kind of is a thick consistency, but then it's like, I don't know, but it's a good consistency for a cream. Then I'm just gonna be doing that, just raking it through my hair, making sure I get the ends. Then I'm gonna rake it through. And then I'm gonna scrunch And this is how my curls look. Now I'm gonna be doing the same thing that's this side to this side. Okay, so I just finished putting on the product on this side. This is how my hair looks. Got that curls, okay. Now I'm gonna stop. Yeah. Okay. The next thing that I'm gonna be using is the Natural Miller's Curl Talk Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. And I'm gonna be grabbing about that much. I'm putting it on my hands, then patting it on the top of my hair. Sorry for the background, it's my little brother. Then I'm just gonna be doing it to the back. Then I'm gonna be raking it through. Then gonna scrunch. So then this is how my curls look. Nice and juicy. Then I'm gonna be doing the same thing that's this side to this side. Okay, so these are how my curls look. Now, I'm just gonna be making sure I'm working on the back. Okay, this is how my curls look from the side, and then back. And yeah, now I'm gonna be waiting until it's dry, like completely dry, and then I'm just gonna fluff it out. Okay, so I'm back. So as you guys can see, these are my curls right now. And now I'm just gonna be fluffing them out, just so that it can add more volume to my curls. As you guys can see, this side is more fluffier than this side. So I'm gonna be doing that to this side. And there you go. This is the final result. These are how my curls look on each side. And this is the final results. And yeah, this is the after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button right next to it so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And please comment down below, how's your day during quarantine, just like the last video. And yeah, I will see you later, my beautiful queens. Bye.